channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Lina and I hope you're doing very well today. We have wonderful springtime and the sun is shining outside, so I'm already in a summer mood. So for that reason I decided to make something fresh, colorful and summery. For today's video I have 3 air dry clay projects. I'm so pleased how they turn out and from the end result, so stay with me and you'll see them. If you like this video, please give me a like, it really helps to support my channel. Subscribe and click the bell so you'll be notified when I upload new video. So let's go and get busy. I took a ball of clay and I'm just going to roll it out with medium thickness, about 7 millimeters. And as you can see, I use a baking paper so the clay will not stick to the surface. To make the coasters, I use these round cookie cutters to create the shape. Next, I smooth the edges with sponge and my fingers. I place the coasters into a tray and I let them dry very well for about 2 days. After they were completely dry, I used sandpaper to smooth the edges and every unevenness. So I decided to use my watercolor paints to paint them, and I used again the cookie cutters to create guidelines which will help me with the drawing using this tool. After I finished drawing all the coasters, I sprayed them all with clear spray paint to seal the surface, and I create that false ceramic look. Again, I took a piece of clay and I rolled it out with medium thickness. I smoothed the surface with wet sponge and I cut a piece with length approximately 5.5 inches. Next, I took this bottle of my vitamins and I wrapped it with cling film and I wrapped the little clay piece around it. And next I dipped my fingers into water and I smoothed everything out so it will be nice and even.
I let them dry for about 2 days, and after they dried, I sanded the edges. I'm going to take acrylic paint and coat the napkin holders, and this is going to be the base. After the acrylic paint dried, I used the watercolor paints to create the desired pattern. After they were all done, I sprayed with clear spray paint to create the false ceramic look. And again, I took a big ball of clay and I started rolling it out. I create a thick big circle. I cut off the edges and I placed the sheet of clay on top of a ball, which I wrapped with cling film so the clay will not stick to the ball while drying. I cut out the extra parts, I overlapped edges, and I smoothed out very well with water and my fingers. I use different sizes of round molds to make holes and to create the desired shape of the ball. Next, I used wet sponge to smooth all the edges and everything out. I let it dry very well for about 3 days. So as I wanted to leave the ball with the natural color of the clay, I sprayed with clear spray paint, but I didn't like it at all, so I decided to paint it white. And I mixed acrylic paint with baking soda and I did 3 coats. And after the paint dried, I sprayed only inside the ball with clear spray paint to seal the surface.
If you enjoyed this video, click the like button and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate this. Write in the comments below and tell me what you think about this project and which was your favorite one. Thank you so much for watching and for your support, and I'll see you next time. God bless you all. Bye bye.